Hey guys. All right, so it's been a really long time since I've done just kind of like a get it all done or day in the life type of video. This is kind of just a mod podge of all kinds of stuff, but I wanted to catch you guys up on what's going on and just take you guys along with me on a day. So today has already been very full. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And by we, I mean Andrew and I, just got back from a 24-hour trip to Greensboro, North Carolina for the ACC tournament. We just wanted to see North Carolina, which is Andrew's team, play. So we watched them play, and then we just spent the night and then turned around and came back home the next morning, which is today. And on our way home, we stopped at Costco. So we grabbed some groceries. I'm gonna show you guys a Costco haul. The last week has been really intense. I had a stomach bug and just a lot of emotions came from that. I think as a result of that, there were panic attacks involved, and I was not feeling good at all for a week straight. And that takes a toll on not only me, but like the whole family. So this trip was so needed and so necessary, and I just feel refreshed, and I just feel overall so much better. I feel human again. But yeah, so right now Emmy is asleep. Oakley's downstairs with Andrew, and then the rest of the day I'm not sure exactly what we're going to be doing. I know Emmy is going to go to her little Bible study tonight. I would really like to check on the garden at my parents' house. If you guys are new, we had a garden here there last year. And then the last thing, there's a house that just came on the market. Again, if you're new here, we are currently renting the place we live in, but we are looking to buy our very first house as soon as that comes available. And we found one today that we think we might like. It would need some work, but we would like to drive by it today before we contact our realtor and ask if we can tour it. So we might go drive by that. All right, let's go take a look at what we got from Costco. All right, so the first thing that we got, actually Andrew picked these ones up. They are beef sticks. I have not had them. They're little mini guys. So that's something that Andrew got. And then this is something new to us, but I'm really excited. It's paleo, it's by Wild Roots. Paleo nutty chocolate trail mix. So it has some nuts in it and then some chocolate. And then I always look at ingredients. The ingredients are really clean. The chocolate has coconut sugar in it, cocoa butter, and then there's walnuts, hazelnuts, and almonds. So this will be a nice little thing to snack on. And I actually got 2 of them, one for us and then one for my dad. You guys might hear Oakley crying down in the basement. We just got home not too long ago, so he's kind of clingy to me. Okay, so next we got another box of these pure organic layered fruit bars. We really like these. The kids will snack on them too. It's a nice little just like bite of something sweet. There's 2 flavors, pineapple passion fruit and then strawberry banana. The ingredients are not the cleanest on these. It's naturally flavored with other natural flavors, which basically means artificial, but it's just a little bite of something sweet. So we really like these. And then I saw these sprouted pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are high in vitamin D, which I can sometimes be low in. It also is a good source of magnesium, protein, zinc, and iron. So I got some of these to just snack on, and then I can like sprinkle them over salads or something like that. And I believe these were on sale. A lot of these things that we got today were on sale, which was really nice. And then we got another box of our favorite crackers. These are the Simple Mills almond flour crackers. And the ingredients on these are super simple. I got a jar of sun-dried tomatoes for my grandma. My grandma helps my mom babysit the kids while we were gone last night. So we just got this as a thank you to her. She likes to make bruschetta, and it's really delicious. So we got one of these for her from Costco. This was on sale. It's the Safe and Fair birthday cake granola. We really like this stuff. It tastes so good. And what I love is that it's free from 9 main allergens. So this is a great option for anybody who has any of these allergens. Next, we got some more of our favorite pasta sauce. We still have a lot of this from the last time we went to Costco, but we go through a lot of pasta. It's just so quick and easy. So this is the Rao's homemade marinara. Delicious, super simple ingredients. So we got 2 jars of that. I grabbed some of these no-show socks because I wear them pretty much every day with my shoes. So I just grabbed another pack. There's 8 pairs in them. And then we tried this last time we went to Costco. It's the cauliflower crust roasted vegetable pizza. Super tasty. And you get 2 pizzas in there. So we picked up another one. This will probably be a staple. Every time we go to Costco, we'll probably get another box of these. Just really easy to throw in the oven for lunches or something like that. We got 2 cases of the Barilla chickpea pasta. We eat this all the time with our Rao's pasta sauce. Sprinkle some cheese on it, steam some broccoli, and you're good to go for a nice, quick, easy dinner. So we got 2 cases of 4 boxes each. I forgot to mention that we actually went to a different Costco than we usually go to. We usually go to one a little bit closer to us, but since we went to Greensboro, we went to that Costco, which we think we like that Costco better, so we might just start going there instead. It's just like 30 minutes farther. Maybe not even that far. But this Costco has a lot more options than the Costco we typically go to. So this is one thing that I knew that some Costco's carried, but the Costco that we usually go to didn't carry it. This is organic whole cashews. They're unsalted and unroasted, and the ingredients are literally just organic cashews that have been steam pasteurized. The reason that I wanted this is because when I do any kind of paleo cooking, a lot of times like sauces and things like that or soups will call for cashews, like blended cashews as a sauce base. So I wanted to have these on hand for any of my paleo cooking or baking or anything like that. Also, it would be just a nice little thing to snack on. This is something that our typical Costco doesn't carry usually, and that's 100% grass-fed beef patties. This is such a nice option to have, and you guys, it was not that much more than the regular patties, but it's such better quality. And it's just a nice convenient thing to have them already made into patties. We're actually gonna have these for dinner tonight. Just throw them on the grill with some veggies and call it a day. But yeah, so these are gonna be nice to have in the freezer. They're frozen. This is not a healthy option, but this is something that Andrew wanted. So we got a box of honey bunches of oats. This is for me. I love Spindrift. I usually drink it with my Ningxia Red, which is an antioxidant drink. So I usually have about 1 can of Spindrift a day. So we got another box of this because our typical Costco doesn't carry Spindrift. And then we also got another box of Pirate's Booty. Again, not necessarily the healthiest option for the kids, but it is convenient and they really like to snack on them. Then 2 more things. This is something that Andrew grabbed. It's a 3-day cleanse of the Suja juices. I'm not sure what he's planning on doing with this, if he's actually gonna do it as a cleanse. It was on sale. And then the last thing that we grabbed is our favorite cheese. This is raw cheese, so it's got a lot more health benefits to it. And we like to use this sprinkled on eggs and pasta and things like that. It's a very stinky cheese, but it tastes really, really good. Did you miss your mama? Yeah, your mama's boy, huh? Can you blow a kiss? Good job. Can you say mama? Mama. Say dada. Mama. Say dada. Mama. Yeah, that's my guy. Say mama. Mama. Say dada. Mama. Say dada. Mama. I'm telling you guys, this is a sign of weather changing. Is when you see people out at the pond fishing. I want that to be me right now. Trees are blooming. The weather's so nice. I got my fiddle leaf out there. He has been struggling this winter just with not enough sunlight, probably some drafts. What's wrong, bud? So I plopped him outside to get some good quality light. Hey, Emmy. Huh? Say hi. Hi. What were you just talking about?
I'm going to Pioneer Girls today. And Mr. Goody's and my preschool is almost getting opened.
Your preschool, it's almost time to go to preschool?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, just a couple more months and you get to go to preschool. That's gonna be so fun, huh?
Yeah, Mommy, are you going to pick me up?
I sure will. I'll drop you off and I'll pick you up. What are you most excited about preschool?
Being in the library to read some books, and going into the gym, and run and play and jump, and going into the lunchroom. It's so much fun in there.
It is?
Yeah, and I get to learn.
You do!
Hey, Mommy, I'm going to learn about, do you know what my favorite animal is?
What's your favorite animal?
Butterflies.
What's your favorite?
Yeah, that's my favorite animal.
Oh my goodness.
Butterflies
Yeah.
in the sky.
You're right. Alright, so we have everybody in the car. There's Oakley back there, Andrew. And we are gonna take Emmy to her little Bible study tonight. But first...
No, it's called Pioneer Girls.
Okay.
You call it the news club.
Oh, sorry, excuse me.
It's okay, Mom.
But first, we are gonna go see if we can drive by that house. I hope that it's everything we think it is. We don't know what like the surrounding area feel is gonna be like, but yeah, so that's where we're heading right now. After we see it, I'll update you guys and let you know what we think. We are home now and we are outside grilling some hamburgers for dinner. Next time Andrew opens it up, I'll show you. But we're having hamburgers for dinner with grilled asparagus and onions. And then we have artichoke going upstairs. So I'm really excited for dinner. It feels like summer out here. It feels so good. These are those grass-fed hamburger patties that we got from Costco. Whoa. And then just some grilled onions and grilled asparagus. Looks so good. What are you doing, buddy? He wants to watch. He loves to watch his daddy grill. Gonna be grill master one day, huh, bud? Huh, bud? Yeah. All right, really quickly, an update on that house that we just saw. So we didn't get to see much of it because it looks like there's people living in there. If we know, like we look online and we know that a house is empty, then we'll like kind of walk around it, peek in the windows maybe. So we thought because of the pictures online that this house was empty, and then we got there and it was not. But we really do see potential. The outside would need some work. The inside's definitely gonna need some work. But the neighborhood's really cute. It's right across the street from a farm. So like the view from your front yard is just gorgeous. So I don't know, we'll see. We've been looking for houses for a while now and just nothing is popping up. But we know that like when the house comes, that's meant to be our house, we're just gonna feel it. And so far there's nothing that's like making us feel like it's not our house. So I don't know, we'll see. We're gonna see if we can get inside it with our realtor and like tour it and look around. That's really gonna be the ultimate decision is when we can get inside it. But it's still pretty cool to see what we saw today. You can probably hear Oakley outside. He is not having it. I think he's just a little overstimulated from having my mom watch him and playing so much. But anyways, I'm gonna wrap this up really fast. This is our dinner tonight. Doesn't that look really pretty? So I'm gonna scarf this down and then probably throw Oakley in the bathtub and put him to bed here pretty soon. But dinner, it looks yummy. And then over here, I still have to put all of these groceries away. But over here is our artichoke. I burn it every single time. I let the water run out of the bottom all the time, every single time. But this takes a really long time to cook, so it got started later than it should have. But I'm gonna dip this in butter and mayonnaise and it's gonna be so delicious.